Hey guys, it's Candy coming to you with another video. Thank you guys for watching. But before I get into today's tutorial, let me take some time to show you my goodies from Dossier. And if you've never heard of Dossier, Dossier is actually a high-end designer-inspired fragrance company. Yes, they have fragrance not only for the body, but for your home, and they are priced at a very affordable price, just a fraction of what you would have to pay if you were actually to buy designer fragrances. So now for the holiday, as you know, it's already upon us, and I plan to decorate my bedroom for the holiday, and so I'm super duper grateful to receive these candles that they have. The floral marshmallow one is the one that I think I will be using for my personal space in the bedroom. And they also have reed, you guys. They have these reed diffusers that smell amazing. This particular one is the ambery vanilla inspired by Yves Saint Laurent's black opium. You cannot beat that at all. So guys, their items are actually very, very, very great quality, and you also can get a discount, 25% discount on each order if you order three or more, and you will also get free shipping. They have an amazing return policy, and you get a full refund or an exchange if you decide that you do not like the fragrance that you received. And again, they have a huge Black Friday sale. You cannot afford to miss out on that. Up to 45% off some items. And so that's almost half off. So come on now, that's a no-brainer. Check out some of their fragrances also available at your local Walmart, because they do have them, so you can go in and see what they have and test to see if you do like them. But I promise you will not be disappointed. But I will be sure to leave the links down below for you guys to visit their website and just to see and to browse and peruse to see the wide array of items that they offer. So thank you, and on to today's video. Today I'll be using this human hair from Janet collection to install some goddess locks. Yes, that's what we're doing today. Some handmade hand wrap goddess locks, and we're using their super French bulk human hair, 20 inches in the color 1B, and this is how the hair actually looks outside of the package. Nice and soft. The quality is actually premium quality, and it's amazing. So as usual, you know what we do, we go ahead and we separate the hair, and we just make sure that they are all accessible when we're ready to start braiding. We also have the realistic Afro twist bulk hair in the same color 1B, 12 inches, and this is going to be necessary for the wrapping portion of the style. Now this particular style is 2 steps. Yes, 1 2 steps. And so we're going to start off with the phase 1, which is the braiding. And of course, we are starting off by making our boxes as we do in most cases. And you guys should be very, pleased to know that I'm not doing a crochet video today. All right, so I take 2 tiny pieces of the human hair, the super French bulk, yes, hair, and I overlap them, and I just use her hair as a third leg and start the braiding process. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Braiding. I'm braiding only to the point where her hair stops. Yes. When I just started doing this client's hair, the wrapping portion of her style was actually about 2 to 3 inches, because her hair was that short and she only wanted them wrapped right to where her hair stopped. Now her hair is much longer, so I found that I had to braid down maybe 3-4 inches in some spots, and then wrap that portion of the hair. So but what I choose to do is to install all of the human hair first, just to do that braiding process first. And once I'm done with that, then I would move to the next step. Of course, you can do them individually, meaning braid everything, meaning braid one and then wrap it and then complete everything one go individually. But I prefer to do the process where I do all the braiding, then I do all the wrapping. All right. So again, I'm just showing you from another angle how to braid the hair in. And you will notice at some stages that the braids are longer. I'm braiding for, a longer period of time. That's because of what I explained with her hair being longer in some parts. All right, so there we have it. We are almost done. So let me show you from an up close and personal angle again. Yes, we're at the last quarter of the hair, almost done with the braiding process. So of course I use my Shine and Jam magic fingers to smooth down the hair, split the human hair in half. I'm trying to remember how much human hair did I use. She took 2 bags. I think I only used 1 bag and a piece. Yeah, I only used 1 bag and a piece for this look. So you can go ahead and purchase 2 bags and you will be good to go. Each bag comes with, I believe, 4 bundles of hair. So you won't need that many bags. And the hair is not very cheap, I must say. Yeah, it's beauty supply hair, but this human hair was maybe $85 she paid. But if you go online, it's way cheaper because we did go online and we saw some on Amazon. So if I find them, I will link them for your convenience. Look how beautiful the hair looks. I feel like this could have been a style on its own, like a micro braid type look. But yeah, that's not what we're doing today. We're going to go ahead and give the lady what she wants, which is a goddess locks. I call it the extreme goddess locks because typical goddess locks, the hair is wrapped almost to the end and then just the very end of the lock has the curls. But in the extreme version, you only actually wrap a short portion of the hair and most of the curls, are exposed. So yeah, this is what it is. So I went ahead and just, took off a small piece of the Afro kinky here for the wrapping. You don't have to use this brand. You can also use Outre or whatever other similar brands that you find out there. But this is the one that, was available to us. So that's the one that we use. Of course, I'm palm rolling it. You don't need to glue it. In the past, people used to add nail glue to secure it. You honestly don't need to. So just make sure that you're wrapping it tightly enough and that each time you wrap, you're overlapping the previous portion that you wrapped, so that will keep it from slipping. All right. All right, one thing I want to point out with the wrapping, when you start wrapping, make sure you wrap the hair in one position at the very base of the braid, maybe 3 or 4 times before you start wrapping downwards, just to ensure that there is enough security at the base of the locks. And this also helps to prevent any slipping. You want for your hairstyle to be long lasting and for it to have the longevity and for it to actually serve as what it's supposed to be, which is a protective style. So that is very important. Now, once I get to the end of the wrapping, if you notice, I don't know if you do notice, but I'll try to show you guys again. Let me try to show you on this one. So you put the hair down, hold it in place, start wrapping 2, 3, 4 times in place, and then now I'm starting to actually descend with the wrapping. So everything is wrapped in place in one position. So you're overlapping the hair maybe 3, 4 times around itself before you start wrapping downwards along the braid. All right. And once I get to the point where I need for the locks to stop, then I also do the same thing. I wrap in place a little bit, then I start wrapping the remaining hair upward. And then once you wrap till you can't wrap anymore, that is when I, seal it with a palm roll and you're good to go. Easy does it, simple does it, no drama. All right, giving you guys an up close and personal look. Yes, see? Minimal lock and maximum curls. All right, so let's get going once more to show you guys from this angle. I hold the hair in place, then I start to wrap at the roots. Make sure you wrap it 3-4 times, and then once you have that done, then you start wrapping down along the braid. And then once you have covered the entire area where her hair is in the braid, then you start wrapping in place at the stop point, and then you start going upwards with the wrapping. So that will help to make sure that the hair is secure and there's no chance of it unraveling. That's what we're trying to do. Make sure that the style does not unravel. And you wrap until the hair is totally wrapped around the braid. Then you palm roll it and voila. There you have it. The finished product. Guys, I'm in love with this Janet collection Super French bulk hair. Again, it's the Janet collection Super French bulk hair, 20 inches, and 2 packs is enough for the style. Yeah. All right, so now we're gonna do our finishing touches. Of course, I'm gonna put a little bit of mousse. Yes, I've made mistakes in the past where I have put a lot of mousse and it just interrupts with the fullness of the hair. But I don't want that. I want it to have that nice, naturally wavy look. So I'm not trying to define the curls any more than they are. So I'm just adding that for a tad bit of shine and luster. And yeah, that is it, you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how it looks from the front. Yes, of course, we're going to be doing our 360 for you guys so you guys can see. Yes, this is an amazing style for the holiday. If you are planning to, do a lot of traveling, it's perfect. If you're just planning to do a lot of parties, it's perfect because it's so versatile. You can pin it up, you can let it down, you can do half up, half down. Come on now. It is like the perfect look going into the new year. All right, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my channel. I do hope you watched to the end. If you did, you are the real MVP. And if you are the real MVP, just comment down below, say MVP. All right, see you on my next one. Bye.